بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Whoever bears patience, whoever restrains himself and forgives, then that is the best of affairs. That's the best thing you could do. Allah is telling you it is the best thing you could do to restrain yourself, to protect yourself, to bear patience and to forgive. When you hold something, it actually has a weight. Not in kilograms, but something worse than kilograms. Stress grams, if I can call it that. That's what it is. It has a weight. You did wrong to me, I held it against you. I didn't forgive you, so there's a weight here. Someone else did something, another weight. Someone else did something, another weight. My shoulders are tight. Everything is not, there are so many knots, for example, on my shoulders, wherever else. My back is being broken. Everything is tight. The muscles are tight. Everything is, subhanallah. When I walk, I feel this burden. My mind, I frown more than I smile, because that's it. I have something against everyone. Save yourself. It is proven by research that the happiest of people are those who forgive others. It is proven by research that the happiest of people are those who forgive others. So do you want to be happy? Well, learn to forgive. What type of things should you forgive? Forgive as much as you can.